Sahaj Vidhi www.sahajvidhi.in Question 1. Homicide means of a human being by a human being. Explain the statement and distinguish between culpable homicide amounting to murder and not amounting to murder. Model answer. The statement homicide means of a human being by a human being accurately defines the broadest category of unlawful killing. Homicide, derived from Latin homo, man, and kidia, to kill, simply refers to the act of one human causing the death of another. This definition encompasses both lawful and unlawful killings. Lawful homicides include acts like self-defense, execution of a death sentence by a public servant, or killing by accident or misadventure without criminal intent. Unlawful homicides, on the other hand, are those that are punishable by law, primarily categorized under the Indian Penal Code (IPC) as culpable homicide. Culpable homicide, Section 299, IPC. Culpable homicide is the unlawful of a human being. Section 299 of the IPC defines it as causing death by doing an act, 1. With the intention of causing death, 2. With the intention of causing such bodily injury as is likely to cause death, 3. With the knowledge that the act is likely to cause death. Murder, Section 300, IPC, equals murder is a graver form of culpable homicide. All murders are culpable homicides, but not all culpable homicides are murders. Section 300 of the IPC defines murder as culpable homicide if the act by which death is caused falls into any of the following four categories. 1. Intention to cause death, if the act is done with the intention of causing death. 2. Intention to cause fatal bodily injury. Knowledge of offender, if the act is done with the intention of causing such bodily injury as the offender knows to be likely to cause the death of the person to whom the harm is caused. 3. Intention to cause fatal bodily injury. Objective test, if the act is done with the intention of causing bodily injury sufficient in the ordinary course of nature to cause death. For imminently dangerous act, if the person committing the act knows that it is so imminently dangerous that it must, in all probability, cause death or such bodily injury as is likely to cause death, and commit such act without any excuse for incurring the risk of causing death or such injury. Distinction between culpable homicide amounting to murder and not amounting to murder. The difference lies in the degree of intention or knowledge and the presence of certain exceptions that reduce murder to culpable homicide not amounting to murder. The distinction is often described as a matter of a degree of probability of causing death. Killing key. Culpable homicide not amounting to murder. This occurs when the act falls under Section 299 but does not meet the higher threshold of culpability specified in Section 300, or when an act that would otherwise be murder is mitigated by one of the 5 exceptions provided in Section 300. Culpable homicide amounting to murder. This occurs when the act falls under any of the 4 clauses F Section 300 and none of the exceptions apply. Key differences in degree of intention and knowledge feature culpable homicide, S. 299, murder, S. 300. Please visit our website www.sahajvidhi.in for more content.